1 and 3 Fenbrit. Good afternoon, racing fans. We are now in race number 6, 2015 PCSO anniversary race. Only 1 and 3 Fenbrit, bringing forward riderless or without the rider. Fenbrit. Set to go now, race number 6. And the race is on. Tap dance from the outside. Fenbrit, low profile, Hagdang Bato, while Messi is running at the tail of the field by about 5 lengths from the leader. And going along for the first turn, low profile, followed now by Hagdang Bato in second. And racing in third by about a length and a half is Tap Dance. Fenbrit. Messi is still the tail ender as they round the 3/4 mile distance. Low profile by about 2 lengths, Hagdang Bato in second. And racing on the outside is Fenbrit by about 5 lengths from the leader. Tap Dance. Messi still bring up the rear, working towards the back. Low profile by a length and a half, Hagdang Bato in second. Fenbrit. Tap Dance. Messi is running by the row. And inside the last 800, low profile by a length and a half, Hagdang Bato in second. And racing in third, rushing up Tap Dance. Messi and Fenbrit. And at a far turn, low profile, Hagdang Bato on the outside. And as they race upon a corner, low profile is still hanging to that length lead. Hagdang Bato pressing up on the outside. And with the last 350 meters more to run, low profile this time by about 2 lengths, Hagdang Bato in second. And nearing the finish line, low profile increasing its marker to about 3 lengths. And finally, scintillating run, low profile, bagging up 2015 PCSO anniversary race. Second, Hagdang Bato. Tap Dance. Fenbrit. Messi completing 2015 PCSO anniversary race.